The bacterium called Clostridium botulinum releases a chemical that can cause botulism, which can be life-threatening. But using a very small amount is a treatment which we can inject to treat lines in your face caused by aging. You'll recognize the trade name of Botox, and others include Dysport, Xeomin, Jeuveau, and Daxxify. But besides cosmetic benefits, Botox and these other products have many other valuable uses, including reducing muscle spasticity and preventing contractures after a stroke, spinal cord injury, MS, Parkinson's, cerebral palsy, and other conditions such as migraines, TMJ, twitching of your eye, or excess salivation. For our GI patients, we inject Botox to reduce the high pressure in the esophagus caused by a condition called achalasia, or in the lower stomach to help it empty in patients with gastroparesis. Other treatments: chronic pain in pelvic floor dysfunction, an overactive bladder, and there's hope for use in depression. So ask your doctor if you have any of these conditions, because your health is your wealth.